Well, here we go. We get to do our new drone test. We can lip read pretty good. We say hi and say cheese. Here it is. Cheese. There we go. Then we lift it off the drone, and this is a DJI Mini Pro 3. It's really neat. It's much smaller and easier to fly, and I think the color is phenomenal. If you look up, this almost looks like a toy or a set on a movie. It's so pretty. Lots of trees, lushness. Spin around and take a look at the sunset, and it's really pretty the way it's all set up. When we fly it around, I went up north a little bit, and there's some property that's being constructed over here on the right, and it looks neat. It's the top of the hill. It's the original Lynn Ranch home. And I spun back through the sunset, and we redid the roads in our area. It looks really nice, and lots of trees, and then you overlook my house and come in and take it back for a landing. And I don't know if anybody's flown a drone before, but it's really exciting and really fun to land. And I didn't get the landing so good on the boat, so this is why we're using a new one, because the old one got a little wet and it's actually put out to pasture. I actually landed the drone within inches of where it took off without using the automatic stuff. I did this all with just hand controls. And then Lucy and I come in and say goodnight and say thank you for watching.